Thank you, Android user. I'm ready. I've been going.
Are you ready? Yep. Oh, that was intense. Like, I'm surprised it didn't go up on the roof. I'm going one more time. You got it.
Where'd it go? Oh, there. That's a good helicopter.
Go on. Did you? Okay, you can't do it too fast. It's not broke yet, but you can't do it too fast.
Oh, God.
It's loose.
Aww, it's already broke?
You broke it. Way to go. That's funny.
It's cost me $275 $6.
Essentially, yeah. Hold on. Mine is way better. Damn, Derek.
This is wrong.
Sorry.
Hi, camera.
It sounds terrible. I'm just trying to blow it up.
Whoa, it broke this out.
Oh, that's weird.
Where'd it go?
Thanks, Stedman.
Well, I might have figured this problem out.
Really?
Say bye.
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 Yeah, let's try this.
Bye.
Nope.